Ever wonder how Netflix recommends movie and how your email filters spams? Welcome to the world of machine learning. So in this video, we are going to talk about some facts and figures of real life that will help you to learn machine learning very clearly. So let's get dive into the video. So in traditional software, human inputs rules. For example, if it's rain, then carry an umbrella. But in machine learning, we don't input rule, we input data. Computer make its rule on its own. Imagine plotting your study hours against your grades. Machine learning tries to find a patterns for you. Like the more you study, the better your grades. Imagine teaching your computer by giving 100 photos of cats. So next time when you give any photo, your computer will able to recognize the photo of cat. So some machine learns by trials and errors. They play game, they lose, then they adjust and they play again. They're getting better each time. From voice assistant to self-driving car, machine learning is the power of many modern wonders. Let's unlock the secret behind these tech marvels. Machine learning is everywhere and now you are on its magic. If you want to learn machine learning, subscribe to my channel because so many fun projects are going to come in this channel, and I'm going to make these dry subjects very fun by making up projects and talking about more important algorithms of machine learning. So like, share and subscribe, and you can ask me any questions by commenting below. For that, thank you for watching my video. Till then, take care.